how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Christmas penguin. There's been several penguins on this channel. This is just another version. I'm going to be using a marker, really simple marker. It's a Crayola brand marker. I don't recommend it entirely. I mean, it's good, but there are better markers. Below in the description, there's a link to a bunch of markers that I recommend. All right, so this is for beginners. This is step by step, and it's only about 3 to 5 minutes. You can either join in or you can just kind of watch and you'll learn either way. So pay attention and let's get going. I'm going to start with a hump shape, like a round shape for the head. Kind of a roundish shape, not quite as round for the hand. Same on the other side. Continue to pull it down. Try to make it match with that top round shape. A little hump here for the foot, a little hump here for that foot. And 3 little nubs for the feet. Pull across the bottom. I'm going to throw a wiggly shape at the top here, and that's going to be the brim of Christmas hat. Kind of an S shape at the top. Bottom. And around the side. Throw an upside down U shape. The eyes, upside down U shape. I'm going to throw an upside down triangle for the shape of the beak. Kind of a rounded edge square for the chest area. And that's it. It's made up of simple shapes. Think of everything as a simple shape that you put together, and you can draw anything. So what you can do as well is something that I always do, which is I like to darken the outer edge of something. And that is so that I just think it looks nicer when you darken just the edge. It makes it look, it's simplifying the shapes. If you guys found that easy, hit that like button so I know kind of what to update on the channel. And don't forget, if you also like that, what's even better is my ebook, my free ebook on how to draw cute stuff. And it is a 10-page ebook. It's made to print. And you can get it totally free in the description below. Alright, that's it guys. I hope you had a good time, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll see you in the very next video with more Christmas stuff. See ya.